And then basically your email is confirmed. So this is how the app looks like. You can subscribe to notifications, to email notifications, and then you will just see how this looks like. You can see some interest, you can see profile, who lives where, and then you can just try to email to some person, choose cover, send a gift, send something like that. You need to have credits to do that. So this app is more like old school kind of vibes. And then here you can select send a message to reach out to people who match you, and then you can just select some kind of message, and then you will see requests. If some other people requesting chats with you, then you can see chats, then you can see your inbox, and then you can see your profile. You can turn on notifications. But that's basically the idea here, how that is working. And yeah, so that's what it is. And then you just have settings. You can, if you don't like, you can just delete your profile from here, just manage your account. You can edit your profile, confirm account. If you just want to get verified, you can also just do it from here, but then you just need to take a selfie, and then just send an email with the selfie photo. So yeah, it's also quite old school way via email, but that's what it is. And then yeah, so this can be like alternative app if if you don't like Tinder, Bumble, or some other apps like that. You can just use this app and try it out. So yeah, give it a try.